In this video, we will see how to install Python in Windows. So just type python.org in your browser. It will redirect you to this particular page. See here, you have option for download. The latest version that is working right now is Python 3.9.5. However, we'll suggest you not to install this because of many reasons. In upcoming days that we'll see, we will be installing couple of libraries which will not work for the latest version. That's why try not to install this. Click on download button. Just go down. Here you will see all other versions also and different release of each version in that. If you'll go down here, you can see a list of all such release in each version: 3.9.0, 3.8.6, 3.5.10, like that. We will suggest you to go with 3.8 version. Here you can see the latest version. Latest release in this particular version is 3.8.10. Click on that and try to just go down, and you will see that you would have different options to get downloaded. Here for 32-bit, if you want to install 32-bit Python version, Python software, that you can click on this, or else for 64-bit operating system, click on this particularly. So I'm going to use this. It's going to be downloaded. I have already downloaded this particularly, so I'll just pause it. I'll just cancel it, and I would show you that we have this thing already available here. I have this version already downloaded. I would install this now. Just double click over here. Check this particular option, add Python 3.8 to path. You can click on install now button if you want to install it in this by default path of the location, or else if you want to give your own specific location, you can choose this customize installation option. You need not to change anything over here. Click on the next button. We'll suggest you to just click on this install for all user option, so that automatically this customized installation location would be changed, and the location would be C drive with program files and Python 38. This would be the folder under which the installation will be happening softly. If you want to change the path again, you can just click on browse button and you can change according to your convenience. Click on the install option. Now it will ask you for the permission. Click on yes. It's very simple. It will take few seconds. It will take few minutes also, depending upon your configuration of the laptop. If it is 4 GB RAM, 8 GB, accordingly it would take time. Just wait and watch. That's it. This is how you have installed Python successfully. Now to check whether it is installed properly or not, just check. Python 3.8 is there in the list. Click over here. This window is getting opened. Now you can type your favorite command, that is print hello lnb. Yeah, so it's working. Cool, fine. So we'll meet in the next video where we'll see a couple of different things. Till then, bye bye.